Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa Campbell and I do all things food, fashion, and fitness. I have a clothing line called Sharks Bites of Life. You may have heard of it if you've been around here a little while. Most stuff I wear is from my business. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. I want to today go over something that's slightly different than my normal, what I like to drink for a caffeine pick-me-up. I'm going to talk about matcha lattes. In the afternoon, if I want to pick me up, I want something that is also going to have like a calming and focusing effect. Unlike coffee, when sometimes if you have too much, you'll get the jitters, you'll lose focus because you're just kind of all over the place and you're wired. Matcha has L-theanine, and L-theanine will help you focus. It'll help calm your stress. It'll keep the jitters away. That is just one of the many benefits. So without further ado, let's get into making our matcha latte. Get the stuff. I have my handy dandy Attack the Day mug, kind of perfect mug for matcha latte than this. And I have my matcha, can you see? It is a certified organic matcha green tea, and it is a big, big thing of it. So this thing will last me forever. You can see it's green. It has a little scooper in there. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some water. So I just filled this up with water. I filled it to right about here because I'm gonna make a latte. You can just drink this as is with just water, or you can make it completely with something like almond milk or soy milk or regular milk if that's what you drink. I'm gonna start with some hot water. Put in 1 scoop. I have my handy dandy frother. This thing is awesome. I'm going to add 1 packet of my stevia and monk fruit. Stir that up. I'm gonna add some milk. I'm going to do this unsweetened almond milk. Just gonna do like a 1/2 cup. Throw this in the microwave. Okay, so now that we have some warm milk, I want it to be sweet because this is kind of like my sweet treat for the afternoon. So I'm gonna add 1 packet of stevia to that, and I'm gonna froth this sucker up. I'm gonna do one more quick thing here because sometimes it'll settle on the bottom. And then, there you go. That is how easy it is to make a matcha latte. So good. So good. I can't even describe how good. So good? All right, so now while I sip on my latte, I can talk a little bit why it's awesome. So everyone knows me as the coffee queen, but what they don't know is that in the afternoon, I actually prefer drinking matcha lattes or a matcha drink. Sometimes I'll just throw it in a protein shake. I'll do like vanilla protein with matcha, a little bit of fruit, or sometimes I'll just do the protein with the matcha and just add a little bit of sweetener. If I like sweets, okay? So I always add a little bit of sweetener. You don't have to do that. It's just what I do personally, and it works out well for me. I like to have it around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and it does not affect my sleep. When I'm trying to get through the workday and just be productive, I want something that's gonna give me a little bit of an energy, but also like a mood lift and focus. So matcha has all of that. Amazing benefits that everyone needs to know about, so I'm gonna tell you. Number 1, matcha boosts your immunity. During cold and flu season, you should really up your dosage of matcha. Oh, I will say, only start with the directions. Like, don't just be like, oh, I'm gonna do a bunch of scoops of matcha, because it is still a caffeine and it does still have a kick to it, okay? There are some people that will be a little sensitive to it because it is strong. It's the same strength as a cup of coffee as long as you make it in the directions that it tells you to make it. Remember that, okay? It has antioxidants that help fight pathogens and reduce your inflammation, so it keeps you from getting sick. The number two reason, it controls your stress. because it has L-theanine naturally with it, like more of a smooth, controlled energy versus highs and lows, dips and like crashes that some people will get with coffee. You'll see the memes about it all the time, and yeah, matcha doesn't do that. So another thing you could do is you could add like a theanine, taking theanine with your coffee if you just really want your coffee. If you're not a green tea fan, but maybe you just haven't made it right. I don't know. I can help you. We can work together. Hold on. I don't want this to go bad, so drink it while I talk. Number 3, matcha is really good for helping to detox your body. Again, those antioxidants are great for detoxing and getting your fat mobilized. So, you know, it's good to mobilize your fat and then go for a walk or go work out. A lot of people work out after work in the afternoon, and they always take pre-workout or they slam an energy drink, and there's a cleaner way. Sometimes people just like that stuff, but if you want like to be really healthy and optimize your health and optimize your results, drink something natural like green tea, matcha. Matcha is a form of green tea, but it's when the tea leaves are very little. So they're like baby tea leaves that are ground up. That's what matcha is. A few quick things that I forgot to mention is sometimes the matcha will settle at the bottom, so if you're a slow drinker, you may want to stir it up from time to time just to keep the matcha afloat versus at the bottom. And remember to only use what the directions say. Try and go slow. Don't overdo it. You won't like how you feel. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. Like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, leave a comment if you ended up trying it and let me know what you thought. Bye guys.